Today on Thai Caliente, we're making Thai yellow curry with chicken. Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. I'm so happy to have you here. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a authentic Thai yellow curry or masaman curry. I'm going to be making it with chicken, potatoes, and carrots. And I'm also going to serve it over cauliflower rice for a low-carb meal, or you can also do authentic Thai jasmine rice for a nice comforting meal. So let me go ahead and go over the ingredients and where you can find them. For the curry paste, I'm going to be using the Maploy brand yellow curry paste. I got this on Amazon, but you can also find it at your local Asian grocery store. Some coconut oil, as well as full-fat coconut milk. I also have about a pound and a half of diced chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs or omit the chicken for vegetarian. A russet potato that I've peeled and diced, as well as a white onion that I've also diced, and a few carrots. So here's all the ingredients one more time. The diced potato, chicken, carrots, onion, the yellow curry paste. This is about 2 full tablespoons, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, and a few tablespoons of coconut oil. So in a pan over medium heat, you don't want it too hot. Go ahead and add your coconut oil as well as the yellow curry paste. And I'm just gonna kind of stir it around in the oil and break it up a little bit just so it's not in big chunks. And then I want to saute the white onions just so they can get a little bit soft and kind of add a little bit more depth of flavor to the curry paste. Once that's softened a bit, go ahead and add your diced chicken. So we want to cook the chicken till it's almost completely cooked. If the chicken is sticking to the bottom of the pan, you can go ahead and add a little bit more oil at this point. And now we're going to add our carrots, potatoes, as well as the coconut milk. So give that a good stir and go ahead and add the entire can of coconut milk. I wanted enough liquid to cover all the ingredients, so I just added a little bit of water to my can of coconut milk just so I could get enough liquid over the top. Go ahead and place the lid on your pot and bring it up to medium-high heat. Once it starts to boil, lower the heat back down to a gentle simmer, and we're going to simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes get soft. I'm also adding a little bit of sugar. I tasted it and it needed a little bit more sweetness, and that little bit of coconut sugar was perfect. So as I mentioned, I am serving this with cauliflower rice for a low-carb meal, but by all means you can use authentic Thai jasmine rice, or you can do brown rice or any other grains that you choose or have on hand, and go ahead and serve it warm. This is also really great for meal prep. You can make a large batch, portion out into containers, and just reheat it for lunch or dinner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!